Hello everyone, this is Couple Kitchen and welcome to our channel. We will try to make proja. This is a traditional Serbian meal. To prepare this meal you will need 150 grams of corn flour, 75 grams of wheat flour, 200 grams of soft cheese, cow soft cheese. You will also need about 20 grams of olive oils, 1 glass of water, 100 milliliters of sunflower oil, 7.5 grams of baking powder, 200 or 300 grams of very fine chopped ham or bacon, 1 teaspoon of salt, ivar, about 50 grams if you like. We will show you in one in the future videos how you make this ivar. And you will also need what? Nothing. Okay, so we'll try to make this meal. See you. First you will need to mix corn flour and wheat flour. Sorry, we had minor difficulties with memory. So the next thing, she will mix it all out. So will be nice and blended together. Then she will put the 2 eggs. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. But this meal is prepared by flavor, not so much as measurements. Then she will add the cheese. And again mix it all together. So when you made that, this is the basic one, the basic recipe. So the old people liked it like that, but we will try to make something more flavorable. The next step, you will need a baking dish for muffins, and you put about half of it in, do not overfill it, just a little bit, not a little bit, but so it can barely reach the top, about half an inch or 1.5 centimeter. If you spill it something, you just take a paper towel and brush it off. So this is the first one, and now in the rest of she will put some ham, about 200 grams, I think. Maybe a little less. It's all by flavor. Some olive oil, some olives, green olives. These one are with paprika, but you don't need to take that. And the last ingredient is ivar. And again you mix it all together. So when you are finished mixing, you will again fill the pockets. Again, not so much, but this dish was used by common folk most of the time, because when they went out and work on their farms and fields, they would eat this with maybe more cheese or some tomatoes or cucumbers directly on the field. So it's very old dish. We don't know exactly who invented it, but we know that it's very tasteful. So when it's finished, you will need to put that in preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Koliko stepeni?
Na 250.
On 250 degrees. See you then. And when it's finished, it should look something like this. So the method for trying is it finished, you take a toothpick and poke it. If it sticks, it's not okay. If it don't stick, it's okay. So the next step, you will need to cover it up with a rag of some kind and leave it about 10 minutes so it softens, and that's it. And for servings, you will need to take it out, take a spoon and just take it out. And it looks like that. That is one without olives, ivar and ham or bacon. And this one is with it. So it's like that. So this is how they look when you cut them. This one and this one with cheese, ham and olives. You can also put sour cucumbers instead of olives. Watching, and if you like this video, consider like and subscribe. Ciao.
Ciao.
See you next time.